All right, we're hopefully gonna build a tree house while the kids are gone for the week. Well, a fort. Gotta do some weed eating in here though. Get her all weed eated down. This is a nice circle of small trees. We're gonna build a fort tree house thingy right here. Let's get some weeds knocked down. All right, so here's the entrance. I gotta duck down, so I'm not a kid. We're gonna build the fort right here. I don't remember the dimensions, but I think it's gonna be 5 feet this way, 10 feet this way. And I wanna be able to walk under it, so it'll be just above 6 foot tall, because I'm 5'10". We'll have a platform, a roof, probably 2 entrances to get up there. We have to dig some post holes, get some posts and some concrete. Hopefully surprise the kids. They'll like it. Well, apparently running a weed burner while it's 85 degrees out makes you sweat. But anyways, trying to burn everything down because it rained a bunch. It's humid as hell, so burning it out will make it easier to rake, and it'll kill down the bugs. And we'll be able to get some holes dug. And it'll be nice black dirt underneath our tree house. Hell yeah. Well, got the wood that we needed for the tree house. We already have a bunch at home, but I need some posts. And that's what a 16-foot post looks like in a 5.5-foot truck bed. All right, good morning. Yesterday we were hoping to get the posts in the ground for the tree fort, but it rained all day. According to the weather, it was only supposed to rain for like an hour, but it rained for like 6. So I'm gonna go over here and see if we can dig some holes. We have 4 16-foot green treated 4x4s. I wanted 14, but they didn't have them, so 16 it is. It's going to be difficult setting up the time-lapse camera inside of here. I'm going to see what I can do to make it work, because I know people like those clips. See what we can get done to get started. Looks a little muddy in there. The tree fort is going to be 7 foot by 7 foot. There's a hole started. There's a hole right there and right there. Get these holes dug, get the posts squared up, and get the concrete poured. All right, we got all 4 holes dug. That one and that one were full of roots. This one was the only one my wife was able to dig all the way down using just the auger. This one was mostly auger, but then the soil got so dry and hard the auger quit going down. Time to start setting up poles and mixing up some cement. Posts are set, concrete's dried. Got 2 of the 3 floor joists in. I gotta get one more that goes across there. But I think we're gonna start setting the floor. I can do that side without the joist. I'll just have to bring it home after work tomorrow and shove it up under. Well, there's the other half of the floor. Just need to get the joist down the middle. I think we're gonna hop up top and start doing some railing. it's where we're at. About 95% done. I gotta cut the top off at 6 feet from the floor here, and then the back side at 5 feet. And we're gonna have a tarp, a canvas tarp for a roof. And then we got a fence panel from the neighbors when they tore it down. We put it back here on the back side of it. I think it turned out pretty decent. And we only have about 350, 400 bucks in the whole thing, because a handful of the wood we already had. We had to buy the posts and some 2x4s. And then tomorrow at work I'll get a joist to go back here, and that'll be free as well. So last thing to buy is a tarp and a little bit of concrete, because we're gonna take this tree and cut it to length. It's gonna be the post in the center, and I'll pour a concrete pad right in the middle, and then we'll notch the end of it so it slides over the joist, and I'm gonna put long ass bolts all the way through the top of that tree.